everyone, I'm Rodolfo Magnigo, it's NTPC, and today I'll be presenting my redesign of my partner's app prototype for our user experience redesign class. In this presentation, I'll first talk about the partner's original design, and then explain all the improvements I made in my redesigned version. I'll go through each page one by one and explain what change I made and why. So, here's my partner redesign, original design, the layout concept were already good, but there were a few things that to needed to improvement. Some of navigation buttons are not working like this. There were no hover effects din po dito sa kanyang wala po siyang hover effects dahil hindi po siya naka-align. So, mayroon din po tayong mga missing page. Kunyari, pag click itong approve, wala pong nangyayari. Wala rin siyang hover effect. So, in my redesign po, I focus in fixing those issues, improving interactively, and completing the missing page to make the app or prototype more functionality and user-friendly po. This. So, now let's move on to my redesigned version of the app or prototype. So, this. For the landing page po, I did not change anything. The layout and design were already good and were balanced, so I decided to keep it as it is. It already gives a clean and professional first impression to users. So, pag click po natin administrator, pupunta po tayo sa admin login. So, next is the admin login page. In this page, I fix the layout and improve the text alignment to make it cleaner and easier to read. I also adjust my spacing in buttons placement so that it looks more are organized and professional. The login form is now more user friendly and easy to navigate. So, pag click po natin login, punta po tayo sa admin product. So, dito po sa admin product, so, after login po in admin, I did directly to the admin product page. So, ito po yun. Here, I made several improvements like I added hover effects like this to the buttons. Yan. So, they are responsibly visual when the users interact with them. I also made the product section slidable like this po, which allows users to scroll through multiple products horizontally. This makes browsing product faster and more convenient for the admin. So, next is pag-click po natin orders. Yan. Dito sa orders po, I added hover effects din po. This. To make them more responsive po. So, yun, when the approve button clicks, order status is automatically change approved like this. Yan. Ganito po. On the other hand po, when the decline naman po, pag click po natin yung decline button, is click, it turns to red and display the text decline po. This. So, this make it easier to the admin and to manage orders because so they can clearly see which ones approve or decline. So, dito po tayo sa insight. Now, for the insight page po, I added interaction feature where User can click on a picture to zoom in po. So, this allows the admin to see more details or statistically closely. It's a small feature but it makes the app more interactive and visual engaging. So, ganito. Ito po siya. Nazo-zoom po. So, I added the missing page that was not included in my partner's original design. This page completely the flow of the app, making navigation smooth and the overall system more functional. Then, like this po. Aside from those, I also made sure that all pages have a consistent color, schemes, typography, and spacing. The overall design now looks more modern, clean, and balanced. I also ensured that all buttons, links, and icons have proper feedback when clicked or hover over improving the user experience. To summarize, my redesign focuses on improving functionality, interactivity, and consistency while keeping the original concept of my paper's partners app. Each page po now works properly, looks cleaner, and gives user uh, smooth experience po. Overall, I'm happy with the result because it's more complete, responsive, and user-friendly. That's all my presentation po. Thank you, sir.